All right, we're going to get some bibimbap, boys. Really excited. Taking you on the best kept local secret in Las Vegas. What? If you know me, you know I love Korean food. I'm super excited to show y'all. If any of you have not had Korean food, the meal I'm going to get is called dolsot bibimbap. It's really amazing. Basically, bibimbap is 2 words. Bibim means to mix, and bap means rice in Korean. You don't have to say it bap. I just say bap. But anyways, found the best kept local secret in Vegas. Look no further. We're going on an adventure to Flavor Town, and you're coming with. This is like one of my favorite things to do, is get a healthy meal. But basically, you mix rice, you bibimbap, you mix rice, you get a good meal, and you go enjoy it. So we're gonna be mixing some meat, a ton of vegetables. I'm gonna give you all the location of this secret place. Super top secret. And I actually have my GPS fucking thing working. There we go. There it is. So sit back and enjoy the ride to some bibimbaps. A bump up here that makes me hit my nuts every time. Right here. Whoa! There it is. So anyways, yeah, we're gonna mix a bunch of rice with a bunch of vegetables, and they have this amazing chili sauce, that chili powder sauce called gochujang. It's amazing. But this is totally one of my go-to meals. In a time where I was very alone in my life during COVID, I worked these long hours in a city where everything was shut down. But across the street from my apartment was this Korean restaurant. And with everything shut down, that was kind of the only place I could go for a night out or food or anything. I hate to cook. And this family, throughout a really tough period of my life, that owned the Korean restaurant, were so grateful to me, and they showed me everything on the menu. And of course, as I fall in love with the people, the Korean people and their culture, I also fall in love with their food. And without a doubt, I am so lucky to have had a small part of Korean culture shown to me by a man named Mike. Mike, if you're watching this or listening, I love you, man. Thank you so much. Your Korean food has truly changed my life. I've gotten many people addicted to it. So hopefully I can get you all, if you're in the Vegas area, you come down here, you get you some motherfuck. Goddamn, you get yourself some bibimbap. Fucking nuts. It is a beautiful day, I'll tell you that. Beautiful day for some shit gravel. Oh, look at that wide turn. Yeah, baby. Taken this shit before. Still going, baby. Come on, baby. Look, I'm not here to tell you what you should do in your life. But when life fucks you out, Bibimbap fucks you back in. You're gonna be so stretched out once you leave fucking Korean food at Bibimbap, you're done for. This shit's gonna stretch you out good. So if you have not had bibimbap ever, you got to go to your nearest Korean place and make sure they have the hot stone bowl. It's called the dolsot. I think this guy's taking a shit. Anyway, so you're going to go to the Korean place in your local neighborhood. I don't know if he is taking a shit. Nope. Never mind. We're good. Yeah, no. So you're going to want to get some, it's called bibimbap, which means to mix with rice. Dolsot, however, is the hot stone bowl. And if you're unfamiliar with dolsot, basically think of it like going to a Mexican restaurant and ordering fajitas, how it comes in off the cast iron skillet. Basically, if you get bibimbap at a Korean restaurant, you're gonna want dolsot. It means hot stone bowl. With that being said, go to your nearest Korean place, go try their dolsot bibimbap. Gonna give you guys a little look into Vegas's best kept secret. Tell you that right now, because no one's talking about it. That's why it's a secret. I'm here to stretch this secret out. There's gonna be no walls left of this secret. You come here, you come to get some bibimbap in Vegas. Don't go to the strip. Don't need to go to no fucking club. Drake's at a club. No one gives a shit. You come here, you get some fucking bibimbap. I'll show you why. Anyways, so Korean food, I couldn't figure out why, especially Koreans, they live so long. If you go to a Korean restaurant one time, you're gonna understand why they're very healthy people. They just make vegetables taste good. That's the trick. They make vegetables taste good. So if you come here, this is pretty much like the only meal I'd say like I could survive on the rest of my life with. Probably one of my favorite meals, honestly. Outside chicken fingers, of course. We are almost here, baby. Here she is, Moobongri Soondae. No, Moobongri Soondae, my bad, sorry. Oh, whatever. Anyways. You come to Vegas, come here. Don't look no further. There it is, boys. The moment you've all been waiting for. Here's more of that sweet chili sauce. And then there's rice all the way at the bottom of this. You just mix it up, baby. Go get you some bibimbap. There it is, boys. Moobongri Soondae. Up there too. Look no further. Vegas' best kept secret. No cap. When life fucks you out, you come get you some bibimbap. We'll talk about it. Your boy Creamy out.